Hey, what's up guys, you're watching G7 Attack and today I'm going to unbox and review the best L1R1 triggers in the market. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So I ordered this product for just €5 from AliExpress and the best buy link will be in the description box below. So let's just open the box and see the quality. So here we have the another box. Focus game is written on the front and side, and everything is written in Chinese. So let's take the buttons out. So finally, here we have the buttons. It feels a lot more premium than other Chinese triggers, and click quality is also great. This was my old trigger, and while playing the game, the spring just comes out like this, and then I have to shoot manually. But the mechanism in this button is made up of real metal and screws, so it feels more premium than cheaper triggers. So let's set up these buttons and see how they perform in game. Set the button location according to you and put the trigger on it. Just tight the screw a little bit according to your device and do the same with the other. And yes, it doesn't damage the phone because the tip is made up of rubber. So this is how you can handle the spray with your thumb and shoot with your trigger or right finger. And the most important thing is now you can move and shoot at the same time. This will help you in close range fights. If you are out of ammo, you can punch the enemy while moving. Or you can jump and punch at the same time. So that's it for this video guys. If you like the video, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. And thanks for watching this video guys. I hope to see you in my next video.